In this tutorial, we are going to create this kind of stunning, beautiful grocery website. You can say this is a grocery store website using XStore WordPress theme. This is an amazing and responsive website that you can create just within few clicks using XStore WordPress theme. You can see they have mega menu option, a beautiful mega menu, and the navigation as well as the top navigation and search boxes and everything that is necessary for an e-commerce website. So if you see its shop page, a beautiful shop page with very beautiful products layout and the very beautiful filters and product status, brands filters, and the sidebar animated banners and very responsive design. And if you see its product layout, a very beautiful product layout where you can see a very beautiful sidebar and add to cart buttons as well as beautiful side images, descriptions, reviews and banners. And this is a full pack of beautiful website including blogs and other necessary pages. So we are going to use XStore WordPress theme. So for downloading and purchasing this theme, just use the given link below, and when you will use this link that is given below, a small commission will be added into my account. So this theme basically comes with very responsive design, product archive builder, as well as the cart builder, just drag and drop cart builder, as well as the single product builder. I'm going to show you in next few minutes how you can customize, and a very beautiful checkout builder as well as the footer builder and header builder, where just with drag and drop you can just create a stunning website. And it's come with 130 plus pre-built website. It means according to your niche you can select a pre-built Elementor builder website or WP bakery builder website. So you can just install the pre-built website demo data and use and create a stunning website just in few minutes, instead of creating or designing a website from scratch. So again, I request you to buy this theme by a given link below. So then you can create a beautiful and stunning website using XStore WordPress theme. So let me get started. Basically, we are going to convert this simple website into this massive website with mega many options and much more functionalities just within few clicks. So let's get started via installing XStore WordPress theme. For installing the theme, you just need to go into your WordPress dashboard, and into dashboard you just need to click on appearance and just click on themes. In the themes, you just need to click on add new theme. So if you want to find the WordPress theme files, you can check out the link below, and you can see the theme files into your Elementor dashboard or Elementor Elements dashboard or ThemeForest dashboard. So the link is provided how you can get the theme files. Okay, so I have already purchased this theme, so I just click here upload, and I also downloaded the theme files, and just click on choose file. In the files I have the WordPress theme file, okay, XStore theme file. So I just click here and just click on install. After uploading the theme, it will ask you to activate this theme, so just click on activate. Now the theme has been installed. Now you can see they also provide a pop-up with the instructions video as well as the help video, so you can watch this video and get the necessary things. Okay, I have some internet problems, so that's why it's not loading. Okay, so now there is installation guide. You can just read the guide, and you can just get the more help. Okay, I will just provide the registration key, so you can just get the registration key from your ThemeForest. So here I'll just paste my registration key and just click on register. Just click on live website and just click on next step. After that, you just need to check this license policy as well as this license policy as well as manual domain verification, and just click on register theme. Now the theme has been successfully installed, and just click on go import demos, because we are going to import demos for our website. This is this is the pre-built website, and we are going to import. We don't need to design anything. This will be pre-built website imported into my store. Okay, so just click on import demos, and here you can see according to your niche. For example, if you have fashion store or yoga accessory store, furniture store, or any other store, you can just import the demo according to your needs. Okay, for now we are going to create a furniture grocery website, so that's why we need a grocery theme, so in pre-built website. So here you can also select the WP bakery and as well as the Elementor page builder. So you can select any page builder that you are familiar. Okay, so I recommend you to select the Elementor because this is very helpful. So now you can see this is the grocery market demo, and I'll just click on import, and it will ask some steps. It will also ask you to install the themes, the plugins, and just click on next, and just generate and use the child theme, and just click on next step, and they are asking to install these required plugins. Okay, so just click on install. So these plugins will be automatically installed, and additionally I inform you the XStore have more than $450 plugins that you can use for free, that are provided with the XStore, which are free for you. And now the required plugins has been installed, and here you can see select the full demo content, or you can select the specific content that you need. For example, only pages, widgets, or homepage. So I recommend you to import the full demo content and just click on install. Now the demo content has been successfully installed. It means our website is ready. We just need to edit some tweaks. Okay, so let's review our website and let's see how the demo content has been installed or not. Now you can see a ready-made website with beautiful mega menu, and the beautiful structure is ready for us. We just need to do some editing and our website is ready. You can see this is the home page, and you can see this is the about page, and if you look at the shop page, it is also pre-built and pre-designed, and we don't need to do design from scratch. You can see this is the shop page, and with beautiful layout and beautiful sidebar with the filter options, you can see, as well as the other filters. This page is ready, as well as if you want to see other pages, for example about us and contact us, all the pages are pre-built. Okay, you just need to edit these pages via Elementor, and the website is ready for us. So let's get started with the header editing, and then we go to the other elements of the website. For making edits in header in XStore, there are two options. You can edit with the theme options, as well as if you hover here XStore builder, and you can see builder panel as well as the header. You just need to click on header, and by clicking on header you will see this dashboard and editing area. For example, this one is the top row, for example this one, and this one is the middle row as this one. So if you want to edit, for example, this is the main header, and in the left sidebar you will see the options to making edits. For example, this is the logo. So if you want to change the logo, you can change your logo, and if you here you can see this is mobile menu, and you can just change the layout for this menu. You can see this is just like that, and if you want to set this like this, so it will be changed according to your selections, for example. And if you click here, you can see this is coming from right. Okay, so I just cut this off and make it default, as well as you can change the icon for your menu, And if you see, this one is the search area, so you just need to click on search area, and you can just change the styling for your search area. For example, this is the icon, and you can also upload your custom icon. And if you see, this is the search area placeholder, so you can also change the placeholder here. For example, search for, so I write here search products. Okay, so you can just write here products, as well as you can set the queries for the search filter. And if you click on account, so you can see there you can change the layout for the accounts and so on. So this is the cart. You can change the cart button layout, for example, on this one, or this one, by just selecting the layout. You can see this one or this one. Okay, so if you go here in the main header, so there you can select the full width. So you select, when you select the full width, it will be edge to edge. Okay, so if you go back into that, and if you don't select the full width, so it will be not to cross the edges. Okay, so this is the minimum height of the header. For example, minimum height from top to left. So if you want to decrease, you can decrease or increase, so it depends upon your requirements. Okay, so as well as it was 90, I think, so I make it back to the 90. Okay, as well as if you wanna make other changes, for example, if I click here, you can see these are the settings, and here is the logo, mobile menu, and search. So this is same like that I showing you into the left side bar. This is the same. Okay, okay, so you can also change the background color for this. For example, if you wanna change the background color to the black, so I can change the black. For example, this one is black right now, and if I wanna make the color right like that, so it will be again for the color. So if you know make changes into that, for example, this area, this is the bottom, this is the actually menu style. So you can change the menu style. There are many pre-built menu styles, for example, this one or this one. So here you can see the menu style has been changed. For example, if you click here and click here, so the menu styles will be changed. So here is the icon separate type. Separate type means divider. I mean, here is the separation from one item to another. Okay, so there are many other options, as well as if you click here in the mobile option, and you can see this is the mobile option, and here you can make changes for mobile header. Here you can see this is the mobile header, and in the mobile header you can see this is the mobile menu, as well as I just showing you here you can see. So in the mobile menu you can change the logo. For example, this one is the logo. So here you can change the logo. So if you want to disable the logo from the mobile menu, you can just disable. You can see this is disabled now, and if I enable that again, so it will be enabled. Okay, so you can see this. So if I wanna disable the search box area from the main mobile menu, so it is disabled. Okay, so this one is the menu, for example, this one, and this is the socials. And here if I can scroll down a bit, so this is the socials, and this is the button. So I can just show or hide this button. So here you can see this is the button. Okay, so if I go above, and here the logo, menu, and the logo. So if I click here again in the menu, so this is the same settings as you can do or for our mobile menu as well as. So these are the items that you can use into the menu. And if you want to change these items, for example, if I want to change the button text into the header and the XStore. So you can just go back, and here is the button. This one is the button. So here you can change the XStore. By XStore I say build with PkSkills. I just make it PkSkills. Okay, so the button text will be changed from this menu, because you can see this text has been changed. So this is how you can change the text into the button, as well as if you want to make social links, you want to add your social links. So here is the social links. So here in the social links you can add your own social links, for example Facebook. So here you can add your own link, as well as Twitter. So you can also add or remove the social links from this menu. So I hope you understand how you can make changes into the mobile menu of XStore theme, as well as you can do these changes. For example, this is the contact number. You can change here the contact number style, and if you want to change the contact number that is provided here, so this is the contact here. If I click here on the phone, so here is the phone number that I can change to my own phone number. Okay, so this is how you can change the phone number, as well as there is the social media. As I already told you how you can make changes into the social media links, so you can also change the social media links according to that. So this is how you can make changes into the header. So after making changes, you just need to click on publish button. So these all changes will be saved. Now into that menu, so how you can change this menu or this menu layout, you can just go to your, you just need to go to here menus. Into the menus you can just change the layout or remove the items that you don't need, and add the new items into the menu. So here you, in the left sidebar, you can see all in that you just need to select the main menu, because this one is the main menu. So here you can see home, elements, shop, and for example, if I remove this item, because we don't need from buy theme, so here I just open that and just remove that. So this link will be removed from the menu. And if I wanna add some labels into that menu, or if you wanna add the label into the menu, so for example hot, so I just select the hot and click on save changes, and this will be, just click on save changes. So there a hot button will be added into the contact, for example. So you can see this is the label that is just we activated now. So this is how you can add the label into the menu items. Now let me talk about these mega menu. For example, these are the mega menu that are added into this, for example. And if I click here and select the department menu, this is basically the departments menu. So in the department menu, if I click here and see, this is the icon, this which is this one, and this is the mega menu that is selected here. So if I select here, click on the name of the menu, and you can see design is the selected mega menu, and column are selected 4 columns. And here is the static block, which is health and food menu. So this is basically the mega menu static blocks selected for each menu item. So how you can edit these, I let you show you how you can edit these. For example, if we open quality milk, so this is the static block quality milk, and this is also 4 columns, and you can see the static block is quality and milk. Okay, so if I go into left sidebar, you can see these are static blocks, and click on all static blocks. So there you can make changes into the mega menu. So for example, if I select first one is the mega menu is health and food. So this name is healthy food menu. So if I go back into the static blocks and search for healthy foods menu, you can see this is the healthy foods menu. So here just click on edit with Elementor. Now you can see here you can also change this image, these menu items, and this is the email, for example, and this is the address. So this is the same that that is displaying on our website. You can see this is the healthy, and this is the email, and these are the items. So you can change these items, the mega menu items, from this. For example, if I click here, and here are the items that I can easily change the text, as well as if I want to change the text for the email, so I can easily change the text for this email, as well as if I want to change this text as well as this sale image, I can also change that. For example, this button, and I just can change the text here and a link here. So this is pretty very simple. After making these changes, you just need to click on the update button, so these changes will be updated on the website live. Now we added to our homepage with the Elementor. So for editing, you just need to click on edit with Elementor. So the Elementor editor will be available to you to edit on your pages. So first of all, you can see this is editor, and in the left sidebar you can see XStore widgets are on top. So these are widgets that you can use. For example, these are deprecated widgets. So these are Elementor layouts, and these are Elementor widgets, and these are Elementor Pro widgets if you have Elementor Pro installed, and these are general widgets. So let's open the XStore widgets, and they are animated header, advanced heading, banners, and so on. So you don't need to use Elementor widgets. You can use these massive premium widgets provided by XStore. Okay, so for example, if you want to change this text, and you can just click here, and you can see this is the make a breakfast, or we say breakfast and now, for example, and you can see we can add the text here, and you can change the text, as well as you click on style, you can change the colors according to you. For example, if I change this color, this color, or this color, so you can use your color according to your needs. Okay, so this is, and this one is the this text, and for example this one, if you click here, this text, so this is the text. This is actually animated text. You can change these first one text, second one, third one. Okay, just like that, you can just click on any item that you want to change. And now we move to next section, which is the category sections. And if you click on this pencil icon, and you can see the edit categories. So this is basically the slider. You can just select the grid, as well as, so it will be layout into the grid. You can see this is the grid layout, and here in the columns you can select 6 columns, for example. And this grid, you can see this is the same grid, but this is just grid, but we need a slider. So slider means it will be slide from right to left. Okay, so these are the categories. Basically, these are the images of the categories, so you can make edits. And if you want to add new items here or new rows, you can just click on this plus icon, and in the plus icon you can see XStore Studio, and in the XStore Studio you will have a massive collections of pre-built sections. For example, if you want to add new sections into your store or any page, you can select any section from the pre-built sections. Now you can see there is a massive collections of pre-built sections, and you can easily use for your website. And you can see there are a lot of sections that are pre-built that you can use for your website. And these are FAQs, hero sections, and services sections, and contact sections, and much more. For example, this one is icon sections. For example, if I click on insert, so this pre-built section will automatically insert it into your pages. So this is very impressive quality of this theme. You can see this is the pre-built section that I was imported. So this is not looking nice here, but I just show you how you can import the pre-built sections for your website. Okay, so I just removed these sections because for now we don't need these sections. Okay, so let's proceed to next sections. For example, this is the products tabs. So there you can see this is the Ajax products tabs. So in the style you can select the bullet style, bordered style, and you can see this is the bordered style. You can see this is the border style, and if you select the overline style, so this style will be changed. Okay, so you can see there is a bit line over that. So how you can change the style. So okay, so in the items you can see these are the buttons. For example, new products, trending, and show all. So in the show all you can see these are all in the content. You can select the product grid and products and product wheel colors and offsets, as well as if you click here new products, and in the content and in the data you can select all products, and you can select the order by ascending or descending. So these are new products and trending. So if I want to add a new section here, for example new tab here, I can just click on new tab and tab title. In the type title I will select the fruits, for example. Okay, so this is the fruits tab I want to add, and in the content it should be slider, as well as select the grid. Okay, so in the data I select the recent viewed or best sellings or sales. So I select the sale products. Okay, so from that I select ascending. Okay, so how you can add these tabs. So if you click on fruits, so there is no product on the sale, so that's why this is not showing here. So but if we have some products on sale, so it will be here. Okay, and this is ascending, hot stock, and so on. So here you can also select the categories. For example, I select the category from fruits, and here is the fruits and vegetables, and from that I select the all products types. So here if I click here the fruits, so the fruits and category products are here. So this is how you can add the new tabs into these sections, for example. And here the product limit. So the product limit should be, I think, 10. So I select 10. So maximum 10 products should be displayed here when I click on fruits tabs, for example. So here when I click on fruits tabs, so these are 10 products here. Okay, so from that, so these are 5, and these are this style is different from this style because we added a new type with the another style. For example, this is the other style that I have selected and deselected some items here. So here this one is this section. So you can just change the content area, as well as these are same tabs as I shown you here. You can see these are general tabs. So in the items you can see show all. In the show all, and this is the static block is used, as I already shown you how you can change the content into the static blocks. So you can just select the static block from the given static blocks. For example, if you want to change this text here, for example this static block, so you can just go to into static blocks and change these static blocks text, as well as these area text and these other texts that you want to change. So this is how you can edit your pages using Elementor, the XStore pages, as well as you can change the content on other pages using this method. Okay, so you can change the your all pages using this method. So let's we talk about how you can make changes on your footer. So for making changes, there are two options. If your footer is built with Elementor, so this footer is footer glossy by Elementor, so you can just click on that, and this footer can be editable into Elementor. So you can see this is the footer builder that I have just opened into Elementor. So here I can just drag and drop elements, and here, and I can change the text here, as well as this image, and these images, as well as the social icons. And if I select the light and dark mode, so I can just select the light and dark mode, so I can easily do that from the Elementor editor. So this is very easy to customize the header as the footer into Elementor. So if we select here the responsive, and if I click on the mobile, so you can see this is the mobile layout. So from the mobile layout you can make changes according to your needs. Okay, so they also provide you the very beautiful hammer. So this is called the mobile hammer provided by XStore. This is very impressive. Okay, so this is the pre-built hammer that is provided by XStore. Okay, so this is how you can make changes into the Elementor footer provided by XStore. Now let me talk about how you can change the product layout. For example, if we open any product from that, this is the product, and this is very impressive layout provided by XStore. These are the additional tabs, and this is the review section, and this is the image, and this is price and add to cart button. So this is basically the sidebar. Okay, so how you can make changes on that. So this is a very simple. For changing the layout of single product, you just need to go into your XStore dashboard, and into your theme options. Into the theme option, you will see this option, WooCommerce, and in that WooCommerce you can see product tag catalog, shop items, and single product builder. And this is the single product builder. You can see these are items that you can easily select it. For example, this is the layout. For example, this is the right sidebar, and if I select the left sidebar, so the left sidebar will be open to me. So here you can see the sidebar is now on the left, and here is the sidebar. For example, so from that I can change the sidebar widget. Okay, so here I can just scroll down, and in the styling you can see text from capitalized, so I can just do the setting according to my requirements. So this is the breadcrumbs. So for example, these are the breadcrumbs, and if I want to change the title colors or so on, I can just do that. As well as this section area, for example, these are the customer reviews, add to cart. And if I just click on any item that I want to change the settings, for example, as I can just do the styling for that. For example, here is the styling tab. I can change the colors, paddings, and so on. Okay, so for example, this is the product gallery, so I can just click on this setting button, and the gallery layout will be changed. Okay, just like that. If I click on tabs option, so there are the additional tabs that I can easily do the changes for my tabs. You can see this is the description. So for example, from the tabs, if I wanna remove the description, so this description will be removed because I have deselected from the item, for example. And the description, for example, this is removed, and if I re-enable that, I can easily re-enable the description. Okay, so this is how you can change or make changes on the product layout of your XStore theme. Okay, so just like that, we can just do the layout of your cart page. So this is the cart page, and here in the cart page you can just change the layout of your cart page. For example, there is a no option, so the empty cart option. So here if I click on empty, so you can change the empty cart text here. For example, this is the text, your shopping cart is empty. So I can say um, um, do more shopping or keep shopping. So I can just change the text. For example, if I say keep shopping, okay, so this text has been changed. So this is the paragraph text. When we invite you to something, okay, so you can also change that text. So hey, this is the visual. So in that visual you can just do the changes. Okay, so we go back into that, and here is the cross sell products. So these are the cross sell products, for example, and I can just change the cross sell products as well as. So this is how you can change the layout of the cart page, as well as you can go into the shop shop page layout. And here I just click on shop page layout, and if I click on shop page layout, so there I can change the layout for the shop. For example, if I select the right sidebar, so the sidebar will be on the right instead of left. So the right sidebar, if I select the sidebar, can see this is on right now. And if I select the inherit from shop products per row, inherit per shop. For example, if I show the 3 products in a row of any in a row of our shop page, so the products layout will be 3. So just like that, you can see. So this is how you can set the shop layout. And if you select here, this is the layout of the view of product. For example, here you can see product name, add to cart button, and so on. So if I want to remove the ratings, if I deselect the ratings from the product layout, or the shop from the shop layout, so the rating will be removed. You can see there is no star ratings. If I select again, so the star rating will be available. So just like that, you can select or deselect the item from that. For example, add to cart with quantity. So if I deselect the quantity, because we don't need the add to cart with quantity, so the add to cart button with the quantity will be add to cart button with the quantity. You can just deselect that one. So here are many other options that you can customize. So this is how you can change the layout of your the shop page, and the shop page design. And here is the shop page layout. From that you can make changes from your shop layout. So this is the banner block content. So here is the block ID 613. So this is basically the static block that I already told you how you can change the static blocks. So this is the static block shortcode. For example, this is the shop page static block. Okay, so this is the 631 static block. So I go into static blocks. Here I go into the static blocks and click on all static blocks, and in that we found 631 ID, and this one is the 631 ID. So if I click on edit with Elementor, so this static block can be edited, because this is free shipping on 2090 something. So here in the static block I can make changes for this banner. Now you can see this is the same static block for us, and I can make changes on this static block, and the changes will be applied on this page. So this is how you can make changes on your static blocks, and the changes on your shop page layout and the product page layout. So just like that, if you want to change the styling of the shop page, and this is the h1, and these are the colors, and this is the other styling for this shop and breadcrumbs, so you can do that. So let's we talk about how you can make changes into the widgets. For example, these are the widgets. So if you want to change the widgets or styling into the widgets, or these are banners and so on, so you can just simply go into the appearance, and here in the widgets, so in the widgets you can just make changes. For example, this is the sidebar widgets for WooCommerce. So if you don't want to have some items here, you can just add or remove the items. So here you can see there are the main widgets, category, clouds, and if you go here, right side top bar and shop sidebar, so this is the basically shop sidebar. So here you can select the categories widget. This is the filter, price filter, and the product status filter, as well as the brands, and the static block. So this is the static block that we can add any static block on in the sidebar. So this is how you can drag and drop your widgets and make changes into your sidebar widgets. So this theme also come with the block layout. You can see any theme without block layout is incomplete. So for your SEO content writing, the blog is very important for your any website. So this is the blog page, and let me open the blog post, and let's see how it looks at. So how you can change the blog page layout into the XStore. You can just simply go to your XStore panel dashboard, and here you can see there are a lot of options, and just need to click on blog page option or blog option. So here I just clicked on that blog button, and here the blog page area is here. So you can just click on blog page layout, and in that there are a lot of pre-built layouts. For example, if I select this layout, so the layout for the blog page will be changed, because this layout here I have changed the layout from that the options. You can see this is the layout right now, and here this is the beautiful dates are written on the left. And if I select the this layout, this which was already selected, so this I can do that. Posts per row, for example, these are 3, these are 1 2 3. So if I select 2, so the posters on row will be 2. Okay, now you can see these are 2 in a row. So here is the sidebar, right sidebar. If I select the left sidebar, so it will be on the sidebar will be on left. So you can see this is the left sidebar right now. And here if I go here, so this is the sidebar, and banner position is the disable because we are not going to use any banner here. Pagination type is the pagination. For example, this is the pagination. So if I select here more button, for example, instead of pagination, so I can just select the load more button, and here you can see instead of pagination there is a load more posts button is here. So without refreshing page, the load the posters will be load. So this is how you can change the layout for blog page. So if we click on any blog post and open a blog post, and if we change the layout of blog post, okay, so we go back, and here is the single post layout. So here I can just change the single post layout. You can see this is coming with the this option, and here I can select the sidebar position is right. Here you can see this is the right sidebar, and if I select the sidebar should be below, because we need the sidebar on below. So you can just click here in that layout, and you can see the layout has been changed. This is the layout for the single post page. So this is how you can change the layout for the single post. So if you want to show this featured image, you can show, or if you want to disable the featured image, so the featured image will be disabled, as well as other options, show blind buttons and so on. So these options are available to customize a single post page or single post page layout. Okay, so this is very impressive. So we have navigated all the internal options of theme. So let me go into some technical options. For example, if you want to white label your website, or if you're creating a website for you or for your client, you can just go into your WordPress dashboard, theme panel, and you can just make it white label, because it comes with the white label branding. You can make this is as a white label, because more companies wanna brand your website according to their brands, so they want a white label. They're in the white label options. You can change the for the dashboard logo. For example, this is the XStore dashboard, so you can just change the dashboard logo as well as the main color of this dashboard, as well as the theme name. For example, this is the extra theme, so you can change to your own company name or your company theme. So this is very additional theme option. This kind of options are not available, so it means you can own this theme with your own branding or names. So this is very awesome feature. So another feature is the speed optimization feature of this theme, which is very impressive to me, because for theme speed optimization is additionally very impressive feature of this theme is the speed optimization. So many themes does not provide this option, and this theme provide you the speed optimization option. So for doing that, you just need to click on speed optimization, and in that you'll have massive options to disable the extra files from your website, extra CSS and JavaScripts, and it will improve your website speed very impressively. So you can see image loading type, so you can select the lazy, and here in that you can just select the static block cache, flank pages caches, as well as there are many other options, disable jQuery scripts and so on. So you can just do the speed optimization of this of the theme or your website without adding any extra plugin. So now the next thing is the very important, the ChatGPT integration. For writing process, you need to have many other things or hire writers, but with the XStore you can just integrate the ChatGPT API and start writing blogs. For example, if you click on ChatGPT OpenAI, and in that you can just add the API. So for getting the API, you just need to click on this link. You can just get the ChatGPT OpenAI key, and just paste this key here and just click on save. So the ChatGPT will be integrated with the XStore, so you can just write the start writing the posts without any hesitation, and without hiring any content writer. I hope you love this video, and I again request you to buy this theme via my given link provided into the description. So all the documentation have been done. So if you still need more documentations, you can visit their website and click on this documentation button. So there are a lot of other documentations options are available, and if you see any problem in this documentation, you can just comment below. And if you wanna create this kind of website for your business or wanna hire me, you can just comment below, and you can also contact me via giving contact details into the description. So I highly recommend you to use this extra theme for your websites. This is very impressive and have multiple options that you cannot imagine, and not any other premium theme have these kind of options. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.